Hello students, this is Miss Fatma, teacher of class 2 from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistan-e-Johar campus. Students, the subject which we are going to study in today's video is English. In this, we are going to solve one of the exercise of poem conversation, which is given on book page number 19. Students, do you all remember the conversation between the mouse and a cat? Do you all remember what happened in this poem? The cat wanted to eat the mouse up, and it wanted to reach the mouse and eat it up. But the mouse was very clever and it didn't let the cat eat it up. So now students, this is the exercise which we have to attempt in today's lesson. It is given on page number 19 of your English textbook. Exercise E, composition. Let's read the question. What did they say to each other? Use your own words and complete the conversation below. So here students, we have to write the conversation, a similar kind of conversation between a cat and a mouse, and we can write the sentences in our own words. We can use our own words and our own sentences in the conversation between a mouse and a cat. So here they have given us the first 2 to 3 sentences, first 2 to 3 statements. Let's read them, and we have to continue this conversation between a mouse and a cat. So let's start. Let's see how did the conversation start. So first of all, the cat is saying, "Hello, Mousy." Hello, Mousy. Then the mouse replied, "Hello, Mr. Cat." Hello, Mr. Cat. Then to which the cat said, "Tell me, Mousy, where is your..." Now students, here this sentence is incomplete and we have to complete this sentence in our own words by using our own words and by using our own sentences. So we have to continue this conversation. So students, we have to do this task in our English CW copy. So students, you have to take out your English CW copy and do this work which we are going to discuss now in your English CW copy. So students, let's start, as we don't have much space here, so we have to do it in English CW copy. Okay, so students, here's the conversation. You must mention the topic, that is conversation, and exercise E, composition, book page number 19. Students, you must mention the exercise and book page number from where we are taking this question, and we are doing it in English CW copy. So let's start the conversation, students. We are going to write the conversation from the beginning as that was given in your English textbook. So as first of all, the cat said, "Hello, Mousy." Then the mouse replied, "Hello, Mr. Cat." The Mousy replied, "Hello, Mr. Cat." Then the cat said, "Tell me, Mousy, where is your house?" So students, what is the cat saying? The cat is asking the mouse, where is his house? To which the mouse replied, "It is under the floor." It is under the floor. Then the cat said, "Can I visit your house tonight?" What did the cat say to the mouse? The cat said, "Can I visit your house tonight?" It's a question. Cat is asking the question from mouse whether it can visit the house of mouse tonight or not. Then the mouse replied, "You can't get into my house, Mr. Cat." You can't get into my house, Mr. Cat. As you all know, students, cat is bigger in size and the house of a mouse is too small. So the cat cannot get in. So the mouse replied, "You can't get into my house, Mr. Cat." Then the cat said, "Then please come to my home now." The cat said, "Then please come to my home now." So students, do you know why the cat wanted the mouse to get out of his house? The cat wanted to eat the mouse. It wanted to approach the mouse. It wanted to reach the mouse anyway because it wanted to eat it up, as cat likes to eat mouse. So students, when the cat said, "Then please come to my home now," to which the mouse replied, "Sorry, I'm busy, Mr. Cat. Sorry, I'm too busy, Mr. Cat." Students, the mouse was very clever. That's why it replied, "I'm too busy, Mr. Cat." Because it knew that the mouse knew that the cat wanted to eat it up. So it kept on making excuses to the cat so that the mouse do not have to go out of his house So students, this is how the mouse saved his life from cat, as the mouse was very clever. "Sorry, I'm too busy, Mr. Cat." So students, this is how we write a conversation. This is the kind of conversation that I have written between a mouse and a cat. Students, you can add some more sentences of your own, whichever you like, wherever you like, wherever you want. You can add in some more sentences. You can change the words. You can add in your own words, and even you can continue this story even longer if you want. So students, this is how we write the conversation. I hope you all have understood this, and I hope you all have enjoyed today's lesson and the conversation, a cute conversation between a mouse and a cat. Students, you have to write down this conversation in your English CW copy, and yes, you also have to draw some beautiful picture of a mouse and a cat. Yes, students, you have to draw a picture. After writing this conversation, you also have to draw a picture of a mouse and a cat, and colorful and make it colorful. You have to color it with beautiful colors so it would look nice. So students, I hope you all will complete this work in your English CW copy and make sure that it is very neat and tidy. So students, take care of yourself and complete your task in your English CW copy. Thank you.